Brigitte from France is asking Monsieur Cham, what do I do when I'm understaffed? My employees are not going to be showing up. I'm going to get slammed. What can I do? And this is what we're going to be addressing in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Hello everybody, my name is Sham, known in the community as a responsible restaurant owner. Since 2008, I've been helping and opening restaurants for myself and other people out of the Silicon Valley, California. And starting 2017, I decided to take it worldwide. Brigitte from France, merci beaucoup. Thank you so much for reaching out. Brigitte, here is the secret when you know that your staff is not showing up and that you're going to get slammed. So sorry for that, but it does happen. It's all in preparedness. Have the menus on top of the table. Have the pitchers of water filled up. Have lots of small cold items that you can put on your table when they're waiting. Try to have a proper room assignment and table assignment to ensure proper and easy flow of your guests toward the dining experience. You are more than welcome to also go ahead and offer a smaller menu if you really are going to be that understaffed. When people walk to the door, direct them with a clear voice on where you want them to sit, with a very clear voice, even if you're throughout the room. Welcome to Brigitte's restaurant. Please, I want you to sit on that table over there. I'll be right there with you. And they will come and they will look at the menu, and by the time you come in, it's just going to be a matter of being super fast and super efficient. That was the answer, Brigitte. Please let me know what you know. I always put goodies on the comments. Do subscribe, and until we meet again, this was Sham. And remember, the secret ingredient is love, baby. It's love.